who has more details on the rollout of the new GST rates.
Well, absolutely. Government is ready to roll out the new GST structure likely around September 22nd. And in fact, what we are picking up at this point that the GST Council meeting scheduled on September 3rd and 4th, they are going to deliberate on, of course, the two-slab structure which Centre proposed. And there they are going to take a call and take decision on this massive restructuring of the indirect tax regime. And in fact, sources also hinting at that soon after the meeting gets over, they are putting out the notification in the span of 5 to 7 days, and perhaps they'll try to implement the new rates likely around September 22nd. And that couldn't be more deliberate, keeping in mind the festive season is kick-starting with Navratri. And in fact, they are likely to sort of implement all rates so that it will have impact on boosting, of course, consumption and the overall festive demand. And as we have been reporting about it, that this two-slab structure where a lot of essential item, paneer, ghee, etc., which is currently at the 12% bracket, is moving to 5%. And then your small cars, your aspirational goods, white goods, etc., which is currently at the 28%, is moving to 18%. Now, of course, the special rate 40%, where we could see the sin goods and the high-end cars and the high-end bikes, and that is something is also deliberate upon, and the decision would be taken on the future of compensation cess as well, because there are the states which are pitching for the additional levy in place of compensation as the regime nearing to an end. And in fact, we are also learning that government may perhaps able to repay the debt much in advance, even before a quarter, by October to November. So the tax incidence, however, remains the same. So we will kind of see to how they are going to implement the new levy, with the centre pushing for it, and whether it could be on the high-end car also, because earlier the cess was on the high-end cars as well as the all the tobacco-related items. So this is going to be a very high-end packed agenda for the GST Council meeting, and both centre and state perhaps will push for rolling out the new rate and the new structure by around September 22nd is what indication we are getting.
Thanks, Shrimi, for that. Meanwhile, the Federation of